You don't need fancy equipment to build muscle and transform your body weight is enough. In this video, I'll show you 8 powerful exercises that can elevate your fitness and physique in just a few weeks. Stick around because the last exercise is a time-saving, all-in-one move that targets multiple muscle groups at once. Let's jump right in. 1. Lunges. Lunges are an excellent compound exercise that primarily targets the lower body, especially your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, but they also offer full-body benefits. Lunges not only build leg strength for daily tasks and sports but also improve balance and stability. They strengthen your core, which includes your abs and lower back, and help increase hip flexibility, a major plus for those with a sedentary lifestyle. Lunges are great for promoting joint health, working each leg individually to correct muscle imbalances and ensure balanced strength throughout your body. Start with basic forward and reverse lunges, then progress to walking lunges or add weights as you grow stronger. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg, with a 1 to 2 minute break between sets for muscle recovery. Beginners should start slow and build strength gradually. 2. Superman exercise. The Superman exercise is an amazing addition to any bodyweight workout. It focuses on strengthening the posterior chain, which includes the lower back, glutes, hamstrings, and upper back. Strengthening these muscles is essential for good posture and preventing back injuries, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. It also engages the core, improving stability and overall strength. Beginners should aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. As you build endurance, hold each rep for 2 to 3 seconds to increase the intensity. 3. Push-ups. Push-ups are a classic upper body strength exercise that targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. But they do more than just build upper body strength. They also engage your core, helping to stabilize your body and improve functional fitness. Push-ups help balance muscle movement, especially in muscles used in pulling exercises, which leads to greater muscle symmetry. Plus, they offer cardiovascular benefits, aid in calorie burn, and support bone health. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps, and as you get stronger, increase the reps to 12 to 15. Don't forget to try different push-up variations to target specific muscles and add variety to your routine. Planks are a must for strengthening your core and shoulders. Proper form is essential. Keep a straight line from your head to your heels, which supports spinal alignment and improves posture. Planks also work the shoulders, back, legs, glutes, chest, and arms, making it a true full-body exercise. Over time, planks increase flexibility, boost metabolic rate, and aid in weight management. Begin with 2 sets of 20 to 30 seconds and work your way up to 3 to 4 sets of 45 to 60 seconds as you gain strength. Squats are a compound exercise that primarily works the hamstrings, quads, and glutes. While they're focused on the lower body, squats also require core stability and engage the upper back and arms for balance. Because they activate multiple muscle groups, squats raise your heart rate, which benefits cardiovascular health and increases calorie burn. Regular squats also improve flexibility in your hips, ankles, and knees, enhancing overall mobility. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 12 squats and gradually increase the number of reps or sets as you get stronger. 6. Wall sits. Wall sits are an effective, equipment-free exercise that you can do anywhere you find a wall. This static exercise strengthens your quads, glutes, and hamstrings while building muscular endurance. Wall sits also challenge your mental toughness and focus. Begin with 2 to 3 sets, holding each for 20 to 30 seconds. As your endurance builds, increase the hold time to 60 seconds or more. 7. Leg raises. Leg raises are perfect for targeting your lower abs and hip flexors, areas that are often neglected by other core exercises. They improve core stability, balance, and posture and can help reduce lower back pain by strengthening the muscles in the lower back and core. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. As your core strength improves, you can add more reps or incorporate variations like hanging leg raises or weighted leg raises for an added challenge. 8. Burpees. Burpees are a full-body dynamic workout that combines a squat, plank, push-up, and jump, all in one move. Known for their intensity, burpees quickly elevate your heart rate, making them a powerful cardio workout that improves endurance, heart health, and stamina. Burpees engage multiple muscle groups, including your legs, core, chest, shoulders, and arms, providing a comprehensive workout that builds strength, burns calories, and boosts explosive power and agility. Start with 3 sets of 8 to 10 burpees and increase reps as you gain endurance. Due to their efficiency, burpees are great for quick workouts when you're pressed for time. These 8 exercises will help transform your body, whether you're at home or on the go, and requires zero equipment. If you think any other exercises should have made the list, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help you stay on track with your fitness goals. Until next time.